Join the celebrations this New Year's Eve under the scenic skies of the Arabian Gulf at Al Marjan Island, Ras Al Khaimah. A spectacular 12-minute fireworks show awaits you right after the New Year's countdown on Monday, 31st December at midnight. In order to make the most out of your night and in the interest of public well-being and safety, please follow these simple instructions. Over 27,000 parking spaces are allocated for the event across 8 parking zones: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and designated viewing areas. If you are coming from the north through E11, you can continue straight on E11, or you can turn left toward Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, E311. On E11, head straight towards Al Hamra Mall. After crossing Al Hamra Mall, you can go straight towards parking zones A, B, and C. Remember, each lane corresponds to a dedicated parking zone entry, or you can also enter parking zone E, right next to Enoch Fuel Station, after Al Hamra Mall. Or you can take right from the roundabout and head towards parking zone D. If you are coming from the south through E11, park in parking zone F. If you are coming from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, E311, exit at junction 119. If you are coming from Emirates Road, E611, continue straight on Al Shaheda Road. Proceed to parking zones G and H. Viewing areas. Once you have been directed to your parking space, please make your way to the designated pedestrian walkways, which provide safe access to the viewing areas. How to exit. Parking zones A, B, and C exit straight to Ras Al Khaimah. Parking zone D exits to a special route across E11 and turns left towards Ras Al Khaimah. From parking zone E, follow the special exit route across E11 towards Ras Al Khaimah. Parking zones G and H exit to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Emirates Road E611 via 119. Parking zone F exits to E11 South. If you are exiting from Al Marjan Island, exit right only from Al Marjan Island roundabout. In case of any changes in these preset routes to optimize the flow of traffic, please follow the instructions of Ras Al Khaimah police officers and our ushers and logistical personnel. We look forward to your visit at Al Marjan Island, Ras Al Khaimah on New Year's Eve.